back here with another video for you guys, and today I am going to be reacting to another slime video. But this one is different. It is Satisfying Slime Stress Ball Cutting. Hashtag 140. I don't know why it puts it there, but it is set it to satisfying feed for making this video. So let's get started. I already did a video on my channel about slime pet peeves, reacting to that, and slime ASMRs. So go check those videos out if you want to. That's a really cool stress ball. So this is like slime popping stress balls, I guess. Look at that slime. It's so pretty. I wonder if people have ever made a slime pet peeve about this. I don't know. Okay, that one has Orbeez in it. What is this? This video says slime, not Orbeez. This makes no sense. Now they're getting a big container. I thought this was slime, not Orbeez. What a ripoff. Okay. Well. And yeah, sorry about my two other videos, the slime picking and satisfying slime reaction videos, because they don't turn out well. Like sometimes like it cuts off what I'm saying and it just looks all blurry and weird and stuff. Sorry about that. I can't really fix it when I was editing the video. The satisfying one, I couldn't fix it for some reason. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so in this one they're basically, because I've seen these types of videos where they just like get some ingredients, they put it in a balloon, then they make a video, and then they make the slime. They just pop the balloon and start making the slime. It's really cool. Sugar beads. Oh, that's pretty. Do you guys see this right now? It's so pretty. Oh my god, that's so cool. I wonder when people use knives. That's dangerous. Very dangerous. Let's see how much time. Oh my god, the video's almost over. Okay. I like it when people take off the little net, because every time they don't take off the net and they pop the balloon, like they pop that, they just like the slime gets on the net and it makes me so mad. It's just like a waste of slime, you know? Oh my god, that's so clear. So clear. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Oh my god. That's so pretty. It's like, I'm not lying. It's nice and pokey. It looks kind of jiggly. If you don't notice, but I love jiggly slime. You might probably do know it. I think I said it in my other video. My favorite slime is jiggly slime. So, yeah. Okay, hopefully you cut the net, please. Please cut the net. Oh, no. They're gonna do it. They did not cut the net. That's what I hate. That is what I hate. And what is written on your hand? Okay, so I'm guessing they're going to use that pink slime from that mesh ball. They're using some white slime, some regular white slime, and they're using some Dazo clay. Dazo clay is like a type of company that makes that soft clay. I really like that clay. It's nice. It looks really pretty. Okay, so I think they just wanted to use the pink slime for like color. It looks cool. It looks like cloud slime. A lot of people use Dazo clay, butter slimes, and all that stuff. Video's almost over. Oh, it looks like a donut icing. Okay, a new one. Let's see this. Slow motion. Oh my god! As soon as like the scissors like touched the balloon, it just popped. Like they were able to make like a small snip, but it just boom popped. All right, that's the end of the video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more of these videos. Bye, guys. Bye.